Good morning, one to all. Myself, Virupaksam Chogla, Assistant Professor, Department of E&C, KLS VDRIT Hadia. Today I am giving the lecture series on Technological Innovation, Management and Entrepreneurship. The subject code is 18ES51. Today I can cover model number 2, lecture number 14. See here, in the lecture number 14, the content covered in these lectures are coordination and cooperation, distinguish between coordination and cooperation, importance of the coordination, techniques of the coordination. These are the points we will cover in the today's lectures. The content covered in the previous lectures are motivation, Maslow's need hierarchy theory, Huzbard's two-factor theory, Adams' equity theory. These theories are discussed in details in the last previous class. Okay. The content covered means learning outcomes of today's class. After this lecture, student will be better understand the coordination and cooperation, distinguish between the coordination and cooperation, importance of the coordination, and techniques of the coordination. These are the learning outcomes of the today's class. First, you have to study the coordination. Okay. The basic function of the coordination is an enterprise is same as that of orchestra conductor, which direct the activities of the orchestra party in such a manner that it produces the harmony in music. What I am telling understood? The basic function of the coordination or coordination in an enterprise is same as that of an orchestra. You have seen orchestra conductor who directs the activities of orchestra party in such a manner that it produces the harmony in music. You have seen orchestra oldest days. Getting the point. Likewise, the coordinator of an enterprise is also direct the activities. Likewise, the coordinator of an enterprise also direct the activities of the group in such a manner that it brings the harmonies and unified actions to achieve the common purpose. The coordinator of an enterprise also direct the activities. How the coordinator direct in the orchestra, same in the coordinator of an enterprise also direct the activities of the group in such a manner it brings the harmonies, undefined action, achieve the purpose. Common goal means coordination is required. Like orchestra conductor, the manager also performs the function of then securing and maintaining the unity of the direction throughout the organization. The management of a modern enterprise is based on the principles of division of labor and specialization. The management of a modern enterprise is based upon the principles of the division of labor and specialization. Jobs are broken down into a single repetitive task and an individuals either working in the same department or different department in the enterprise. More applications of specializations is not enough. With the job specialization and job divided among the unit, coordination became necessary. Coordination is an management of interdependence in the work situations. Nowadays, what happening? More applications of specializations is not enough. With the job specialized and job divided among the unit, coordination became necessary. The coordination is an management of an interdependence in the work situation. This is some brief idea upon the coordination. In an ordinarily synchronized of the interdependent efforts of the individuals according to the theory what they defined is coordination deals with the task of building the efforts in order to ensure successful attainment of the objective. It is accomplished by means of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Author Theory has written coordination deals with the task of building efforts in order to ensure successful attainment of that objective. Means in the company objective. Successful accomplish means attainment attaining that objective. It is accomplished by means of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. These are the functions successfully attainment the objective. In order to ensure successful attainment of that objective means here Terry consider the written has what is consider that coordination as a permanent or preventing function of an management passing through the managerial function of an planning, organization, directing, controlling. Getting the point? In other words, another writer has written, what has written is Rayleigh. Rayleigh has written, coordination is the orderly arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action of a common purpose. Coordination is the ordinary arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action to pursuit of a common purpose. Common purpose. The next term coordination and cooperation cannot be used interchangeably because they have got different meanings. What have done? The term coordination and cooperation cannot be used interchangeably because they got different meanings. See here coordination is an ordinary arrangement of group efforts to provide a unity of action in the pursuit of common objective. It is a process of deliberately brings together the efforts of the various components of the enterprise in order to give them unity of purpose. And this is a coordination in order to give them unity in the purpose. Then cooperation denotes the collective efforts by the person working in the enterprise voluntarily to accomplish a particular purpose. Understood what I am telling? Coordination and cooperation. Coordination, cooperation cannot be used interchangeably because they have got different meanings. Coordination, already I told. Okay. Then cooperation denotes the collective efforts by the person working in an enterprise voluntarily by accomplish the particular purpose. It is a willingness of the individuals to help each other. Cooperation. It is a willingness to the individuals help to each other. This is obvious that the concept of coordination is a broader in scope that of cooperation. Means individual how you are cooperating to the others. See here, I can give an example, then you will understood. Yesterday I have come to the class and your friend has not come. Okay, then friend has asked to you give the notes for yesterday's class. Then if you are giving cooperation is there, coordination you are giving. Otherwise you are telling that notes is in home. I am not bring today. I will give tomorrow. Means there is a you are telling this. Means this is a willingness of individuals to help to each other. Thus, it is obvious that the concept of the coordination is the border in the scope that has been cooperations. Cooperations. Means here, this is about meaning of this is a word, cooperation and coordination. Just I give a brief idea. Then you can just distinguish between coordination and cooperation. Will get clear idea. Will get difference Then we'll get the clear idea. First definition is already you have studied this. It is deliberately efforts by the manager, coordination and cooperation. It is voluntarily attitude of the organization members. Okay. Then here purpose, the basic purpose in the coordination, what we'll get? It is an ordinary arrangement of the group efforts to provide unity of the action in the pursuit. Then in the cooperation, it denotes the collective efforts of the group contributed voluntarily to accomplish the particular objective. Getting the purpose. Here what happening? Arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action, coordination. If coordination is there, okay, then cooperation, group of contribution voluntarily to accomplish the particular task. Relations, how this relation, coordination and cooperation, it is achieved through both formal and informal relations. And in the cooperations arise out informal relations. Informal relations. Now the basic is result what happening in the coordination. Coordination seeks the wholehearted support of the employee and department. If all the coordinations are there, then we will get the support and employees in the department. All are coordination. Otherwise, problem will arise. Then cooperations without coordination is fruitless, no use. Getting the point? This is about brief idea I have given upon between the coordination and cooperation. Understood this clearly? Okay. This is a coordination and cooperation. Then importance of the coordinations. Next point is importance of the coordination. An organization is continuously coordinated system of cooperative human endeavor focused towards the achievement of the certain goals. An organization is continuously coordinated system of cooperative human endeavor focused toward the achievement of certain goals. The need of cooperation arises because what one can do, two can do, what one can do and two can do better. Getting the point? The need for coordination arises due to differential precisions, orientations, interest, attitude of individual members of the organization. Why this coordination is cooperation is required arise because of what one can do, two can do, what one can do, two can be do better. Means here if the cooperation is there, then will better will can do. Otherwise, the need for coordination arise due to differential perceptions, orientation, interest, attitude of individual members of the organization. If all the class, I can give an example, all the class students are your coordination is there, then entire all are coming to the class and attending. Otherwise, some people are not coming, attitude is changed, some people are not attending the class. This way arise, this is a cooperation. And the cooperation is there, all are attending. In the absence of coordination, members are likely to pull in the different directions. They may also be a destructive collective or conflict of the interest and goal. Coordinations. Getting the point? In the absence of coordination, members are likely to pull different directions. Pull in the different direction. In the absence of the coordination, members are likely to pull in a different direction. They may also be destructive conflict, interest and goals. Getting the point? Coordinations are intended to channelize the cooperative efforts and behavior of the people along originality, determine the lines and the contents in the possibilities of conflict when tolerable limits. Tolerable limits. What they are telling? Coordination is intended to channelize the cooperative efforts, behavior of the people along the originality, determine the lines and the content of the possibilities. Getting the point? An organization represents a pooling of the diverse resource and facilities adopted by diverse skills, techniques, process and practices determined achievement of the diverse goals and the initiation of the diverse activities. Diversity demands the unity. Diversity demands the unity. To manage the diversity means to bring about unity or unifractions. Otherwise, diversity is likely to lead to distinction or disintegration. The managerial function of the coordinator for desired degree of unity without destroying the diversity. Getting the point? What I tell understood. Here is see here the organization represent the pulling the diverse resource and facilities adopted by diverse skills. Techniques, process and practices determine the achievement of the diverse goal and initiation of diverse activities. There is a means end chain of the organization. At every level, goals are operationalized into means of achieving them. Means levels of goal are operationalized into the means of achieving them. Means every stage you have to coordination is required. Means the higher level unity becomes the goal of the next lower level. Higher level also and lower level also the coordination is required. There is a need of consistency and compatibility among the various elements of the means and chain. Sub goals are to be contributed to the overall goals. Means each department work there is a coordination. Sub goals means subdividing. Means everyone should be required to coordination is required. Then we will get that importance will come to achieve the goal. Means are match the end. Short term goals are to mesh in with long term goals. Getting the point? The coordination is important to achieve the correct correlation between the means and ends. Getting the point? What I'm telling? Means are match ends. Short term goals are to be meshed in the long term goal. They are relative correlation, coordination. Then we'll get. If small work if are not done, then there is a coordination is there, then we will get success. Otherwise, we will not achieve. This is the importance of the coordinations. Then what are the techniques used for the coordination? If you understood this is importance is there, coordination is required, then what are the techniques to use to that? Manager can use number of techniques to enlist the coordination. Some of the techniques of coordination are discussed. Getting the point? If important is there, but what are the techniques the manager can use? Here you have to see managers can use number of techniques to enlist coordination. Some of the techniques or coordination are discussed. One is clearly define the objective. First technique is clearly define the objective. Means if the whatever the company goal and achieve, they can clearly define. Each and every organization has its own objective. These objectives would be clearly defined. Then the employees of all the organizations should be understood the objective of the organization, well unity of the purpose is must be achieved proper coordination. What I'm telling, I can give the example, then you'll understood. Starting of the semester, I can tell that 100% attendance is required in my class. The objective is clear. Objective is clear. What is objective? 100% attendance is required. Getting the point? If objective is clear means sir has told this 100% attendance is required. Clear objective I told means you have to attending the class. Means here clearly define the objective. Understood? Objective is attendance is 100%. Understood? This way. Next, effective chain of command. This is also important. There is a line of authority in every enterprise which indicates as the whole is accomplishable or whom or who accountable to whom. Means the line of authority means I can give already I told the top level manager is giving to the instruction supervisor is giving to the foreman is giving to the worker, means who has to give the information to whom. This you have to clearly define. Means line of authority in every enterprise which indicates the who is accountable to whom. Getting the point? The line of authority and responsibility should be clearly defined to achieve the coordination. Clear-cut authority relationship helps to reduce the conflict among the different positions, particularly line and staff, which is essential for sound coordination. Precise and comprehensive programs and policies. Laying down the well-defined programs and policies in the another measures to achieving the effective coordination. This help brings the uniformity action because of everybody understood the programs policies in the sense. Means precise comprehensive programs and policies and programs should be clearly defined. Planning ensure the coordination efforts. Under planning, target of each department divided by the target of the all others department. For example, fixing the target of 50,000 units of additional production and sale of the production and sale of the department respectively, head of the organization can be fairly sure and work of the two department would be contained since target of the demand. Means, for example, fixing the target of 50,000 units of additional production, the sale of production and sales of the department respectively, the head of the organization can fairly sure the work of two departments would be coordinated since the target is demand. The cooperation of result is better relations among the employee of the organization. Cooperation can be brought about by keeping the harmonious relationship among the people organization for encouraging the internal contact of the supplement formal communication using the committees of the exchange of the ideas views to the top levels. Planning and cooperation also important. Planning already I have studied. Cooperation is also required for all the departments. Then license officers and department. This is also important. The person who acts a link between the two persons is called a license officer. The external coordination is obtained through him. Many large organizations depends upon the officers to maintain the cordial relations government and outside. In some cases where there is a large volume of contact between the two departments, license departments involves to handle the transactions. They typically occur between the sales and production of the department. For example, packaging company is processing a large order of containing might have license department to make sure and production department is meeting the client specifications and then the delivery will make place time. Then inductions. Incentives. Induction is a induction is a induction is the new employees into the new social settings of the work, also coordinating the mechanism. This device is formalize the new employees with the organization rules, regulations in the demand norms of the behavior, values and behaviors of the integrators. Then incentives. Incentives may be formed in increments in the scale of the pays, bonus, profit sharing. These schemes of the incentives promote the better term spirit, which subsequently ensure the better coordination. In particular, profit sharing promotes team and spirit, better cooperation between the superiors and subordinates. Work pool. The work pool is a sequence of steps by which the organization acquires inputs and transfers them in the outputs and export. These are the environmentally largely shaped by technological, economical, social consideration, help the conditions. The work pool means sequence of steps by which the organization acquires input and transfers them in the output export. These are the environment in largely shaped the technological, economic and social coordination and helps the coordination. Okay, Booms technology learning course objectives CO2. Describe the functions of manager, entrepreneurs and their social responsibilities. POs are PO 1, 2, 6 and 11 are the you are using in the today's lectures. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Thank you.